Grade 12 Marketing 3. We will carry on practical English assignment with the theme of talking about hobbies and interests. Before we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Siti Mulyawati.
I am Lusi Mulya.
I am Lusi Sulistiawati.
I am Dela Puspitasari.
Good morning, friends.
Morning.
What is your holiday activity?
Usually when holiday comes, I often spend time at easily cooking my favorite food.
Is that your hobby?
Yeah, since I was little, I really like cooking.
If you are on vacation, what do you do, Dela?
I often spend my vacation time reading novels. Even if the novel is good, I read it until evening.
Wow, you are an inspiring reader.
Yes, wonderful. Then, do you my hobby?
I like cycling. Almost every afternoon, I pass the village by bicycle for me. Cycling can create a healthy body and also reduce air pollution.
Yes, it's true that there are a lot of air pollution around US now. We must maintain cleanlines of the air by reducing the usage motorized vehicles.
True. If you like it, are you?
Sam, you also like cycling. But now my bike is broken, so at the moment I am not cycling.
I have to bicycle. You can borrow it first.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Then what if tomorrow morning we go to us to be together?
Agreed. I'm waiting for his uniform.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully it will be